Here we will see Assembly Directive in ASP.NET. ASP.NET Assembly Directive is used to include assembly at page specific. It links an assembly to an ASP.NET application file such as web page, user control, master page or global.asx file during compilation, making all the assemblies classes and interfaces available for use. The compiler references the assembly at compile time, allowing early binding. After compilation of the requested ASP.NET file is complete, the assembly is loaded into the application domain, allowing late binding. Assemblies that reside in your web application's bin directory are automatically linked to ASP.NET files within that application. Such assemblies do not require assembly directive. You can disable this functionality by removing the line from Assemblies section of your application's web.config file. Different attributes of assembly directives are tag name, which specifies the name of the derived class, and virtual path, which specifies the location of the posting page. General syntax is assembly, attribute and its value. For example, assembly name myassembly, assembly src equal to myassembly.cs, assembly src equal to myassembly.vb.